fun day and keep smiling. Today I'm going to tell you a riddle. Why do fish live in salt water? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because pepper makes them sneeze, like us. Get it? Salt water, pepper makes them sneeze. So, everybody loves to draw. Everybody loves to color with me. Everybody likes to learn some new stuff with me, like drawing, coloring, easy ways to color and draw. So today we're going to learn how to finger paint. So for the finger paint, I'm going to use my thumb finger and my index finger. So what we need for the finger paint is a piece of blank paper, paint, and markers, and your hand and fingers. So let's begin. Start with the sketch. First, what we have to do is take the sketch of a C, and wherever you want to draw, you can point to line. So you're going to draw, and then draw a Y, like this. If you don't know how to draw it, you can learn from me. There. And now we're going to use the paint. This color is going to be red. With my hands and my fingers, I've got some red on. It's getting intense. Oh. More intense. Whoa. Whoa. I can paint in my left hand. Oh my goodness, this is more harder than I thought it would be. Very interesting. And wow! Now I'm going to use this brush to paint some blue under the sea, to dip and switch. Okay. Okay, ready, set, go slow. Wow, interesting. Going to be artistic, like an artist. And here is there's a last here. I can hear, but where's the last here? It's purple. So here, not here. Over here. As I said, and there's my butterfly. So next is we're going to move on to fish. Fishy, and swimming underwater. Swimming underwater. Okay, I'm looking at you. Now I'm done with the butterfly. Now let's move on to the fish. Wow, interesting. Now I'm going to add some details. Which color should I use this? Dark blue. So this brush and paint and hands. The thumb and index finger are very useful for this craft art. So for the butterfly, I'm gonna do black dots. It's like the way, it looks like a ladybug butterfly. Yep, and from Boredom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification bell for this amazing video. Ding, 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 ding. Have a finger art day. And your fingers will do all the work for you. Bye, guys.